Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Yesterday I was chatting to a teacher friend of mine who's having a few problems with one class she's been given this term. She told me that they're the most unresponsive class she's ever taught, and that basically she's tried everything. She's tried every trick in the book and nothing seems to work. And at the moment she's at her wit's end. If you say that you're at your wit's end, it basically means that you're so worried or confused or annoyed after trying lots of different things, after waiting for a long time, after dealing with a difficult situation, that you simply don't know what to do next. So maybe you've got a small child and the child has been crying for hours on end, and you phone your mum or your dad to see what they would do because you're at your wit's end and you just don't know what to do anymore. Maybe you have a friend who's self-harming or drinking too much, or who's got a bit of a drug problem or something, and you're at your wit's end because you just don't know what to do to help them. You also sometimes hear it used in the news or when people are talking about politics. So people might say, for example, that people around here, they're at their wit's end about crime. They want to see action. They want to see something being done about it. And maybe you've had a terrible journey. Maybe the first train you were on was delayed and then it was cancelled and you had to get off and get on a replacement train. And now you're worried that this train might also be delayed. You might start to lose it. You might turn round to one of your fellow passengers and say, I'm at my wit's end already today. If this train is cancelled too, honestly, I think I'm just going to scream. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your students, your colleagues, your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use at your wit's end.